Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Herring here today with the Principal Report. We are at week 5, halfway through the term. It is going very fast. I would first like to mention our book fair, which we held last week, and thank you to all the students and families who attended and purchased items at our book fair. We received over $1,600 in funds, which will go directly back to the school to support students with a whole range of resources. After this great success, we've already moved ahead and booked in the book fair for 2027. Today, we had a few students attend Ramley Park Primary School to observe the Robo Cup competition in action. These students have been working with Miss Entwistle throughout the term and actually throughout the year on coding and robotics, and today they got to experience that in action. We hope they bring some skills back and maybe next year be able to compete in the event themselves. Next week, our Year 6s will be off to the Cranbourne East Secondary College to observe the Little Mermaid production. This is a great experience for our Year 6s to be able to go over to the secondary college and experience the great opportunities that they will have as they transition to secondary school in 2027. Looking ahead, we have our Book Week Dress Up Day on Wednesday the 26th of August. We encourage all students to come dressed as their favourite book character and celebrate their love of books and reading. We will be having a whole school parade in the gym at 9:10 in the morning, and we invite all parents and carers to attend. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.
Hi everyone, we have two of our student leaders here today to discuss an excursion that they went on last week.
I'm Kiana.
I'm Sahej.
I'm a Year 5 SRC leader.
And I'm a Donley House captain.
Where did you go last week with some of the other leaders at our school?
We went to Islamic Museum.
And
what did you experience there?
we experienced their history and their culture.
We were looking around and we were listening to Muslim cultures and stuff.
Great. Is there something that you took away from the excursion that you and other leaders will bring back to Cranbourne East Primary School?
We'll bring back that everyone belongs no matter what their background is and their culture.
It doesn't matter what you are behind your background, and we all belong.
A very, very important message. We look forward to seeing what our student leaders do next.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, I'm Sahej with next week's Respect Expectation. Next week we are focusing on I celebrate all community members.
You can do this by supporting others, even the small achievements. Make sure you are following these expectations when out in the yard and in your classrooms.
Hello, I'm Wajiha and this is Mansi. And welcome to this week's Student Talk. Today we are interviewing Michelle and Ayan from 2W. And now, onto the questions. What do you think came first, the color orange or the fruit orange?
The fruit orange.
The fruit orange.
What is your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song. Michael Jackson.
What is 3 words that best describe you?
Funny, silly, and lazy.
What about you?
Funny, amazing, and cute.
Okay. What came first, the chicken or the egg?
Chicken. The egg.
If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
Japan.
Japan. What is your favorite event at school?
The school disco.
The color fun run. What is something new you learned at school today?
Multiplications.
2 times 2. What is your favorite thing to do on the weekend?
Go Phillip Island.
Go to the beach. Thank you, Michelle and Ayan, for your time today. Stay tuned for more student talk next week. Bye.
Hello everyone! Well, guess what? It's time to get giggly with Mrs. Wrigley. Here's this week's joke. Why was the sand wet? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work out what the answer is. Okay, your time is up. Why was the sand wet? Because the seaweed. I hope you liked that one, and I hope it put a big smile on your face. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you all again next week.
Hi, it's Mrs. Perkins, and we're back for some more breaking news. This week we're doing something a little bit different. I've got a junior reporter here to help me. Let's go see who it is.
Hi everybody, my name is Akbar. Let's go ask some teacher questions.
Let's go.
What's your favorite subject, Mr. Carlson?
My favourite subject is maths because it doesn't matter where we go in the world, 1 + 1 will always equal 2, whereas languages are always so different everywhere we go. My favourite subject is maths.
Mine too. Miss Callie, what's your favorite food?
Oh, Akbar, this is the worst question Mrs. Kelly could have. Everyone keeps telling Mrs. Kelly about how she's a food snob because I've even been to Heston Blumenfeld's restaurant and I came back and I just said, yeah, it was alright. And everyone said, what? That is one of the best restaurants and chefs you could ever have. And Mrs. Kelly still thought, yeah. So I don't really have a favourite food, and it drives my children crazy too because they always go, where do you want to go for your birthday? And I go, yeah. So that is something that I just don't really have a favourite food.
What's your favourite food, Akbar?
Pizza. Oh, pizza's alright, but the problem is if you go to the pizza shops and they put too much stuff on the pizza, it's like, bleh, you feel yuck after, don't you? No? Mine has to be a wood-fired, like an Italian with not much on it. That's a better pizza. Try that one.
Thank you, Mrs. Kelly.
What's your favorite football team?
My favourite football team is the Hawthorn Football Club.
Why is that, Mr. Green?
Oh, the reason, because they gave me a second go at football. I was at another club and I was a silly person and they got rid of me. And Hawthorn gave me a second life and I just love the St Kilda. The Hawthorn, I love the St Kilda Footy Club too, but I love the Hawthorn Football Club.
And who do you go for, Akbar?
Tigers.
Tigers, ooh.
Well, I remember when I was first starting, they won premiership after premiership. They were a great side.
Mrs. Perkins, what's your favorite animal?
My favourite animal? It's really tough because I like lots of marine animals like dolphins and whales, but my favourite animal has to be a dog because I have a dog and he's a red staffy and his name is Vinny and he's very cheeky because he's a red staffy, but this week because of the rain and mud he turned out to be black because he had mud all over him. But that's my favourite animal, a dog. What about you? What's your favourite animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. Is that because you go for the tigers? Yeah, very good. It's Mrs. Perkins.
And Akbar.
Breaking news. Bye.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope to have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud. We'll see you next time. Bye.